and welcome back to yet another video in which I will share with you a 4-step process to create a professional looking headshot for your profile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first step is to create our professional headshot image. For that, we will use this AI called Ideogram. Here, simply type professional headshot of a 23-year-old Asian man. Select the style to photo and click on generate. Choose the image which you like. Click on download. Next, just head over to this website remaker.ai. Click on face swap now. Here, upload the original image which you want to keep. And here, upload your picture. Click on swap. Look at the amazing results it generated. Just click on download. This is a nice picture, but we need to remove its watermark and also upscale it a little so that we can use it further. So, search for watermark remover and click on this site. Just upload your image here. Adjust your brush size and paint on the watermark. Click on remove object now. Within no time, it will remove the watermark from your image. Click on download without watermark. And your picture is ready for next step. Now, the last step is to upscale our image. Search for it and click on any site. Select the image or just drag and drop it over here. Wait a little and just look at the results. Now, click on upscale and download upscale images. This is our final image. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.